Come on, Alexis! No pressure. Circle in, circle in, circle in. Let's work them unders. You got your high tie. Good. Get him off the collar. Pop him off the collar. Circle, circle. Your stuff. That's a high tie. High tie's right there. Get him off that collar. Good, right there. Do it. Do it again. When he post, do it right there. Post and go. Oh, wrestle, wrestle, wrestle. Hey, you wrestle on the whistle. You don't wrestle for the alarm. Come on. Get him off that collar. Circle, 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 circle. Good. Get him, pop him off of that. Come unders, come unders. If it ain't there, don't force it. If it ain't there, don't force it. Come on, Alexis, you need the takedown. Keep circling, keep circling. Pop him off the collar. Good, there you go. Where's your underhook? I haven't seen that. Where's your unders? There you go, good. There's your high tie again. He's leaving his arm up there. No, no. Come underhook. Underhook with that arm. Come on, Alexis. He's leaving that arm there. Come on. There it is. Man, you got to push that. Come on. Let's turn him, break him down, stop that first move. Break him down, there you go, lift, lift, lift. All right. You need a takedown, Alexis. Do you want to win this match? Hey, you want to win this match, you got to do it right here, right now.
Is this third period?
No guts, no glory.
Yeah, I think.
Pop him high. Get him off that collar. Come on. Head up. There you go. High, high. Lift him. Suck him in. There you go. Suck him in, suck him in. Come on, short time. Look at the time. You got to go. No guts, no glory. All out, Alexis. All out. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Shoot. Do it again. Do it again. Keep going. Shoot him out. Done.